This is Tech 5 News. Haptic's touch-based navigation helps blind and sighted alike get around without looking. Smartphones and navigation apps have become second nature these days, but for those with blindness and low vision, it's not quite so convenient. Haptic has been building a non-visual, non-verbal way of telling people where to go, and they've decided it's time to scale up and take it global. The advance Haptic has made is a way of using vibration and other tactile sensations to communicate the simple, intuitive idea that the user is going in the right direction. Using the app or API, your device will send a steady pulse when you're on track, then quicken or intensify when you veer off course. They call it a haptic corridor, and yes, it's patented. Haptic Nav is fully patented. We hold the core fundamental technology for systems and methods for haptic navigation, said you. The advantages of the approach are plentiful. It works in any language, requires no special hardware, and can be used to direct someone down a crowded city sidewalk, an open landscape, or even inside a building, though that part is still in development. Haptic currently partners with Waymap, Cooley, WID, and Infinite Access, and are in talks with many more. They just landed a $1 million contract with Era, an app that allows people with vision impairments to get live assistance from a sighted helper via their phone. The haptic navigation would reduce the need for that assistant to give step-by-step directions, instead just dropping pins on a map and providing other services. And here's the Haptic website right here at haptic.works. Scrolling down, this is what the website looks like. You'll be able to check that out again. This will be at haptic.works. Google says its next-gen AI agents won't launch until 2025 at the earliest. Google won't ship tech from Project Astra, its wide-ranging effort to build AI apps and agents for real-time multimodal understanding, until next year at the earliest. Project Astra, which Google demoed at its I/O Developer Conference in May 2024, encompasses a range of technologies from smartphone apps that can recognize the world around them and answer related questions to AI assistants that can perform actions on a user's behalf. Google was planning to launch a consumer-focused agent experience as early as this December, one capable of purchasing a product, booking a flight, and other such chores. That now seems unlikely. Threads is testing the Trending Now view in Japan. After rolling out the Trending Topics feature in the US earlier this year, Threads is now testing out the feature in Japan. Lots of folks outside the US have been asking for the Trending Now feature, and we're working on bringing it to more countries. This week, we'll begin testing the feature in Japan with a small number of people to start, said Adam Mosseri, the Meta executive who heads Instagram and Threads. Meta says the Trending Now feature highlights conversations happening in real time. The company clarified that the news section will show politician content. While the social network says it doesn't actively recommend political content, the feature often surfaces political topics due to the nature of conversations on the platform.